Wait.
Is it your turn?
Yes. It's blue. It's blue though. So.
Then I can kill Nathan. I won't do it.
Kill Nathan.
Kill Nathan. Wait, no, I kill you because going this way. Why would you swap it?
Wait, who is playing?
Why would you swap it?
Don't kill me. I'll
Plus
try to
two.
help you.
+2.
Why would you swap
Plus
it?
2. Who hit? What is even the
You
order?
got a plus 2.
We're all just
You got a plus
playing.
2.
No. It's going from me to him.
I'll take it then. I'll take it for you.
Okay, okay.
I'll take it for you, bro.
Uno.
Uno, huh? Uno? Is that Uno?
Nathan goes after you.
Someone swap this. Someone or change the
He goes
rotation.
after. I think he goes to you. Then he goes to you.
It's my turn, no?
Yeah.
You don't even know the order.
It's clockwise.
You got anything to swap this order?
No.
Alright, bro. I'm gonna have to play my ultimate thing. Do it.
You don't want to play a normal card. Yeah, it's gonna be like a green forward.
You got a plus 2?
No.
Oh, I can't. Dude, I'm gonna attack you with your
Red,
weapon.
bro, red. Red, someone rotate
thấy sao à?
I'm gonna attack
Nó
you
mặc
with your
đồ
own
nào
power.
cũng đen mà đen nó nói nó mặc chật.
Is it my turn now?
Yeah, it's taking me Nathan.
Uno.
Một đứa 56, một đứa 60 thôi à?
It's my turn.
Wait, isn't it going this way?
No, it's not.
No,
I'm lost! What is that?
Green.
What color?
Who said green?
Mở mà anh.
Okay, it's my turn. I want.
I didn't expect. Dude, dance cards are crazy.
I don't care. I won.
I was gonna attack you, bro. Just mix it together.
It's fine, that's what I want.
Why did you sabotage me the rest of my